So I just went to JD Sport to enter for the in-store raffle of the Nike Dunk Low, and to my surprise, they have this one. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so we're gonna take out what we sold on eBay. One of it is the Jordan 13. This one is the toddler, and also Jordan 1 mid right there, and also one Nike Air Max 273 AC. Jordan 13 retro toddler. This one is the black and university red, 7C size. Oh, cute. Really cute. Well, this one I got in Nike factory store when I found the men's sizes also on the outlet. Sold that one for $99. Next one is Air Jordan 1 mid hyper royal white. Retail on this one is $115. I sold it for $160. Alright, so next one we got the Air Max 273 AC. Retail on this one is $160. Colorway is gray oil, and we got this on Nike factory store, $69.97, additional 30%. And nice colorway, which is just a simple triple black. Not much going on, it's just simple as it is. We sold this one $105 plus buyer pay for the shipping. And then another one we sold in Air Presto black, triple black. Boom. Okay. Alright, simple black and white already. Black and white, simple black, triple black. I already got me one of this, and it is a beater shoes. I've been beating them a lot, so recommended for walking shoes. Not too much hype or whatsoever. It's just really nice shoe for walking. We sold this for $118, so our profit is $20. Alright, so this one what we need to ship out. Those are what we sold on eBay, and this one sold on Goat. Look at those. We got some DC sitting here on JD Sports. And how about some phones? Okay, alright, so another Jordan 1 is, well, kind of nice colorway on this one. I like it though. Lightning. Yeah, that's kind of too small though. Well, here in the men's section we got some reduced or on sale are Reebok, $80 on those. How about this one? Some Hardens, $70. Some Kitties, here is $150, some for $120. We got some Adidas Superstar, $70. Oh, look at those Air Force One, violet-ish basketball thing. Swoosh, kind of sweet, or corduroy.
You found everything okay out there?
Yeah. Tag is secured here on JD Sports. Last size 2. This one is size 9. Man, they got here and the last chance or last pair. Alright, look what we got. You got 3Y on this one?
No, those are my last ones.
Okay, so I'm getting one pair of this one, 2.5. I'll take the 2.5. Look what we got here. Here's the Bordeaux. And this size 8. Is this also the last size on this one? Jordan 6? Thank you. So bag is secured from finish line. So I just went to JD Sport to enter for the in-store raffle of the Nike Dunk Low, and to my surprise they have this one. Let me show you what I got. There we go. We got some 3Y Nike Dunk Low preschool. We got the Panda, but the box is just messed up. But anyway, here we go. Sitting on the store. Technically, the guy that I asked, he just put them in there in the display. So got lucky that I was in time. Good thing I was in time to scoop 3Y. This just because I went to get an in-store raffle and then pick up these two. All right, so another preschool. This one is the biggest that they have. I was hoping I could get me 3Y, but 2.5Y should be okay. This one is a Jordan 4 retro preschool, Tour Yellow, or should we call the Lightning 4. Boom. Okay. All right, so there you go. A lot of some preschooler are not really that hype, but I'm telling you, there's still a resale value on Jordan's preschooler. Why? Because mom and dad want to have a pair for their kids if they have the Jordan 4 in their collection. So don't miss out, don't ignore those. Okay, and then also looks like no one's buying this one and they didn't join the raffle or something, or they just late that they came in. We have a Jordan 6 retro. We got the black Bordeaux. Man, here we go. Okay, not really that exciting to have this one, but technically I bought this one just to resell. You know, I don't want this like in the collection though. I don't really like it. I don't have one yet. I think don't have anything yet in my collection of Jordan 6s. And oh yeah, I have one. I found them on the outlet. The one it's black and some kind of gold. But anyway, found this on the finish line. Comes with extra lace. Not too much going on. It's just the basic suede, or what do you call this one? Not too much familiar of the leather that they put on, but I just got lucky that they are sitting on the store, and looks like they have a full size run, because the one that I saw is size 8, and then I just asked if they have a size 12, and I pick up size 12. We got size 12 and then used my coupon, $20 coupon, to have a little bit more discount. So that's how you do it. You have to do the hustle, go out there and check out if they have something in the store. Like what I said, always, not always that they have something, but you got lucky that there is something there if you do the footwork. So there you go, some good ones right there. And then a little bit, maybe 20 or 15 dollar return on that one, to have at least 15 to 20 dollar return of investment. Is just me already close to the mall, so have to drop by every time. All right, so with that said, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.